Fuel spills damage the environment and harm animals, plants, fish and humans. If you know how to handle fuel and keep it secure, you are less likely to have a spill. This talk covers some of the types of use and storage involved. Use and storage. The most commonly found fuels and oils on site are diesel and petrol for engines, oil for gearboxes, and moulds, hydraulic fluid and grease. Poor storage, lack of care during refuelling, vandalism and poorly maintained plant can all result in spillage. Even a small spill can damage the environment and harm animals, plants, fish and humans, as well as contaminating watercourses and groundwater. A spillage is likely to be expensive to clean up, and there is the likelihood of prosecution and a large fine. Ensure that bulk fuel and oil storage tanks are bunded with a capacity of 110% and keep secure, locked when not in use, and checked regularly. All containers should be stored within secure bunded areas with a capacity of at least 25% more than the total volume of the containers. Refuelling should be carried out by authorised people in controlled areas, and drip trays or absorbent mats, plant nappies, placed under the static plant. All fuel deliveries should be supervised. Spill kits should be available near the fueling operation and drain covers should be provided. Clear up minor spillages immediately and report the incident to your supervisor. Seek advice before attempting to dispose of fuels, oils and contaminated water or ground materials. Precautions. Do not pour waste or wash spillages of fuel or oil down drains. Always refuel in designated areas and follow refuelling procedures. Do not store or carry out refuelling within 10 metres of a watercourse or drain. Do not leave refuelling hoses outside bunds after use. Always return containers to bunded areas after use. Do not allow drip trays to overflow or leave a tank to fill unsupervised. What should be done when there is a spillage? What is the maximum capacity of a bund? How far from watercourses should be fuels and oils stored?